The healthcare industry is growing day by day and is also considered as one of the fastest growing sectors globally. India is considered as a global hub for pharmaceutical manufacturing and research, with growing preventives and health insurance industry, improving treatment technologies, cost-competitive hospital sector. We aim to capture the potential of this growing sector with the ICICI Prudential Pharma Healthcare and Diagnostics Fund, an open-ended equity scheme that aims to generate long-term wealth creation. There are a few broad themes that form the basis of the PhD fund: remedial, preventive, and health insurance. ICICI Prudential Pharma Healthcare and Diagnostics Fund will increase investor participation in pharma, healthcare, diagnostics, wellness and allied companies. Let's understand these themes in detail. India contributes around 10% of the world production volume in pharmaceuticals. 70% of its revenue comes from the sale of generic drugs, of which 50% are exports. There is a significant increase in research and development spends in the field of inhalers, complex injectables, biosimilars, etc. Also, the government initiative of Pharma Vision 2020 provides added support to the industry. There is a remarkable increase in awareness when it comes to healthcare in the country. It can be categorized in a few simple ways: better infrastructure in hospitals, rising number of foreign patients, increasing life expectancy, and low-cost advantage compared to global or US peers. In a country with approximately 16 crore senior citizen population, demand for healthcare and the potential for earnings growth are set to increase significantly, making healthcare a sector with considerable potential. Wellness is one of the key sub-themes of this scheme. It brings more focus on fitness, which includes gyms, health clubs, etc., nutritional care with dietary supplements, immunization or vaccination, which is now a requirement across all ages, increase in annual health checkups. Health insurance segment has grown at 25% CAGR between 2007 and 2016, with cost of medical care rising globally. All these will play a part in the rapid expansion and the structural uptrend of the preventives and insurance industry. Based on these broad key themes, ICICI Prudential Pharma Healthcare and Diagnostics Fund displays potential for growth. It aims to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in health and wellness-related subsectors. This is your chance to turn India's improving health opportunities into wealth creation opportunities. Invest in ICICI Prudential Pharma Healthcare and Diagnostics Fund today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.